Welcome to Rosseau Road, Powersports and Marine, where your next adventure begins the moment you arrive. With more than 20 years of experience in marine and snowmobile service, our factory-trained and Ontario-licensed team keeps your toys running strong and ready for every season, backed by a full 1-year warranty on quality repairs. Explore a wide range of new and used ATVs and boats from brands like CF Moto, Tracker, Stingray, Nitro, and Regency, all delivered fully registered and ready for the water or the trail. Looking for an upgrade? Get the best value for your trade-in and let us handle every detail, even the paperwork. From financing the service to storage, we make ownership effortless. Rosseau Road Powersports and Marine has been trusted in Muskoka for more than 30 years, and your next adventure is already waiting.